Welcome back to the channel. A couple of weeks ago, I had the absolute honor of finally attending the Fathers Day car show on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. I've lived in LA for like 12 years, and every year on Monday after Father's Day, I wake up and I see the pictures on Instagram and I feel stupid for not just taking an Uber over there. This year, however, I had the privilege of representing Arch Motorcycles at the event, and I was there with Keanu Reeves' personal bike and their 1S prototype, which was super cool. When I got off of work, I was able to actually explore the event a little bit, and at the end of Rodeo Drive, right on Wilshire, they had the O'Gara coach booth. And in that booth was the Czinger 21C. Now, I'm mostly interested in that car for two reasons. One, they make them 25 miles from where I live. And two, I applied to work there. Now, they said no, we won't hold that against them. But the car is insane. It is $2 million, has like 1,200 horsepower. It's got like a 3 or 3.5 liter V6 hybrid motor, revs to like 10 or 12,000 RPM. The seats are in line like a fighter jet, so that the entire width of the car is ground effects. It's insane. There's only like 10 in the world. Needless to say, I was more than excited to see one in person, and even more excited to be able to hear it fire up. Now, I've heard of preheating blocks before because tolerances in the engine are so tight. This bad boy had to heat up the exhaust system. Never seen anything like it. Anyways, enjoy this clip of firing up and driving over to the transporter so they could take it to the next event. I hope you like it as much as I did.
Thank you.
That's the preheat.
Wow.
For the exhaust.
You got the preheated before you go to the stove.
Yep.
Amazing. Oh, and what's that one over there?
That's a Pagani.
No, your ear's strong.
I'm into it.
Might as well.
It's my thing.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh,
That's motor.
wow.
Are you going to the truck over there?
Yeah, that was the
Stop, 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 stop.
Hey, chair. Get the chair. Yeah, you can come this way. I got you.
Everybody gasp for here.
That was a close one.
Even I wouldn't be hurt off with that.
Damn. What a backside on that.
Yeah.
It's all open for heat management in the back.
You know what that is? The heat management system.
Yeah, and aero, so the air can go through it. Fine. hope you liked that clip of the Czinger 21C. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hot ride everything. I am here at Auto Vault for the Father's Day Car Show. We have the Arch Motorcycles 1S development bike here, and Keanu Reeves' personal Arch motorcycle. Pretty solid day at the office. Also got Boss Man in the back.